Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Learning English is fun. You can talk to new people. You can make new friends. It all starts with hello. This guide teaches you how to introduce yourself. It's easy. We will use simple words. You will learn important phrases. Are you ready? Let's go. Saying hello is very important in our daily lives. It's how we start meaningful conversations. It's how we make new friends and connections. When you meet someone new, always say hello. Then tell them a little about yourself. Ask them about themselves too. It's polite and friendly. It helps people feel more comfortable and at ease. Let's learn how to share your name. It's easy. Just say, my name is your name. For example, I say, my name is Drew. You can also ask someone their name. Say, what's your name? Then listen carefully to their answer. Section 4. Where are you from? This is a question that often sparks curiosity and opens the door to fascinating conversations. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect with others. Telling people where you are from is interesting. It gives them a glimpse into your background, your culture, and your experiences. It's a way to share a piece of your identity. They want to know more about you. When you tell someone where you are from, it often leads to more questions and a deeper conversation. People are naturally curious about different places and cultures. Say, I am from your country. This simple statement can be the start of a meaningful exchange. It's an invitation for others to share their own stories and experiences. For example, I am from America. This not only tells people about your nationality, but also hints at the cultural and social context you come from. It's a way to build bridges and find common ground. You can also ask, where are you from? This question shows that you are interested in the other person's background and experiences. It's a great conversation starter. It's a great way to learn about someone new. By asking this question, you open the door to learning about different cultures, traditions, and perspectives. It's a way to broaden your own horizons and make meaningful connections. Sharing where you are from can lead to sharing stories about your hometown, your family, and your personal journey. It's a way to bond over shared experiences and discover new ones. You might find that you have more in common with someone than you initially thought. Maybe you've visited the same places or have similar traditions. These connections can make conversations more engaging and enjoyable. Asking and answering the question, where are you from, can be the first step in building lasting friendships. It's a way to show respect and interest in others, and it can lead to deeper, more meaningful relationships. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, understanding and appreciating where others come from is more important than ever. It fosters empathy, respect, and a sense of global community. So next time you meet someone new, don't hesitate to ask, where are you from? It's a simple question that can lead to a world of discovery and connection. Section 5. How old are you? This section will guide you on how to talk about age in a conversation. Age is a fundamental aspect of our identity and often comes up in various social interactions. Sharing your age is a common question. It's a way for people to connect and understand each other better. When you share your age, it can help others relate to you and find common ground. For instance, knowing someone's age can give context to their experiences and perspectives. It helps people understand you better. Age can influence our interests, our responsibilities, and even our sense of humor. By sharing your age, you provide a small piece of the puzzle that makes up who you are. This can be especially important in new social settings where people are trying to get to know each other. Say, I am your age, years old. This is a simple and direct way to share your age. It's clear and leaves no room for misunderstanding. When you state your age confidently, it shows that you are comfortable with who you are. For example, I am 48 years old. This is a straightforward way to introduce your age in a conversation. It's important to be honest and clear when sharing your age, as it helps build trust and openness in your interactions. If you want to know someone's age, ask, how old are you? Remember to be polite. Asking about age can sometimes be a sensitive topic, so it's crucial to approach it with respect. Use a friendly tone and be mindful of the context. For example, in a casual setting, it might be more appropriate to ask about age than in a professional one. When you ask someone their age, it's a good idea to do so in a way that makes them feel comfortable. You can say something like, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you? This shows that you respect their privacy and are genuinely interested in getting to know them better. Age can be a fascinating topic because it encompasses so many aspects of our lives. It can reflect our experiences, our growth, and our journey through life. By sharing and asking about age, we open the door to deeper conversations and connections. So next time you're in a conversation and the topic of age comes up, remember these tips. Share your age confidently, ask about others' ages politely, and use it as an opportunity to connect on a deeper level. Age is just a number, but it can tell a story. Embrace the topic of age with openness and curiosity. It's a natural part of our lives and can be a wonderful way to learn more about each other. Whether you're sharing your own age or asking someone else, do it with kindness and respect. Section 6. What do you like? This section is all about exploring the things that bring joy and excitement into your life. Everyone has unique interests and hobbies that make them happy. Let's dive into the wonderful world of hobbies and interests. Talking about your hobbies is fun. When you share what you love to do, it not only brings you joy but also allows others to see a different side of you. Hobbies can range from painting, playing sports, cooking, gardening, to even collecting stamps. The possibilities are endless, and each hobby has its own charm. It helps you connect with people. When you talk about your hobbies, you open up opportunities to bond with others who share similar interests. Imagine meeting someone who loves the same book series or enjoys the same type of music. These shared interests can be the foundation of strong friendships and meaningful conversations. Say, "I like your hobby." Complimenting someone on their hobby is a great way to start a conversation. It shows that you are interested in what they do and appreciate their passion. For instance, if someone tells you they love painting, you could say, "I like your hobby. Painting is such a creative and relaxing activity." For example, "I like acting. Acting allows me to express myself and step into different characters' shoes." It's a way to explore different emotions and stories. Whether it's performing in a theater or just practicing in front of a mirror, acting can be a thrilling and rewarding hobby. Or, "I like to read. Reading transports me to different worlds and lets me experience adventures through the eyes of various characters." It's a wonderful way to relax and learn new things. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or poetry, there's always something new to discover in the pages of a book. Ask others, "What do you like?" This simple question can open up a world of conversation. It shows that you are interested in getting to know the other person and their passions. You might be surprised by the variety of hobbies people have and the stories behind them. You might find you have things in common. Discovering shared hobbies can be a delightful experience. It can lead to new friendships, collaborations, and even inspire you to try something new. So don't hesitate to ask and share. You never know what exciting connections you might make. Section 7. You did it! Congratulations! You learned how to introduce yourself in English. Now it's your turn to practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep practicing. You will get better and better. Remember, the most important thing is to be confident and have fun.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level A1. Name what someone is called. Example, "My name is Sarah." What's your name? Hobby, something you enjoy doing in your free time. Example, "My hobby is drawing." What do you like to do? Job, the work someone does to earn money. Example, "I have a job as a teacher." What do you do? Age, how old someone is. Example, "I'm 25 years old." How about you? What's your age? Live, where someone stays or resides. Example, "I live in New York." Where do you live?